Is Wealthsimple 24 hours? Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to access your money immediately? Maybe you had an emergency expense, or you wanted to take advantage of a time-sensitive investment opportunity. If so, you may be wondering if your online banking platform is available 24 hours a day. In this video, we're going to take a look at Wealthsimple and see if it's a 24-hour banking platform. We'll also discuss some of the other features and benefits of using Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including online banking, investing, and tax filing. The company was founded in 2014 and has since grown to become one of the most popular online banking platforms in Canada. Wealthsimple is known for its user-friendly interface and its commitment to providing its customers with a seamless banking experience. In addition to its online banking platform, Wealthsimple also offers a mobile app that allows customers to access their accounts on the go. Is Wealthsimple 24 hours? The answer to this question is yes and no. Wealthsimple's online banking platform is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. First, Wealthsimple's customer support team is not available 24 hours a day. If you have a question or need help with something, you will need to wait until the next business day to speak to a representative. Second, some of Wealthsimple's features, such as the ability to transfer money between accounts, may not be available 24 hours a day. For example, you may not be able to transfer money to another account outside of business hours. Despite these limitations, Wealthsimple's online banking platform is still a very convenient option for those who need access to their money at any time. If you are looking for a 24-hour banking platform, Wealthsimple is a good option to consider. Other features and benefits of using Wealthsimple. In addition to being available 24 hours a day, Wealthsimple offers a number of other features and benefits, including user-friendly interface, low fees, no minimum balance requirements, variety of investment options, mobile app. Wealthsimple is a great option for anyone who is looking for a user-friendly and affordable online banking platform. If you are considering using Wealthsimple, I encourage you to do your research and compare it to other online banking platforms before making a decision. In conclusion, Wealthsimple is a 24-hour banking platform that offers a variety of features and benefits. While there are some limitations to keep in mind, Wealthsimple is still a great option for those who need access to their money at any time. If you are interested in learning more about Wealthsimple, I encourage you to visit their website or download their mobile app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. I hope this script is helpful.